there, guys. Welcome to number 30 of Adventures in Welding. Glad you stuck around. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Today, we're going to do an unboxing and review of this Chicago Electric Power Tools portable variable speed bandsaw. Quickly cut stock up to 4.5 inches, push to adjust blade tensioner, 3 wheel bearing blade guides, needle mount bearing spindle, easy access brushes, no load speed, 0 to 230 feet per minute. Let's break out the box cutter. Woo! It's one of my favorite parts. Alright, are you guys ready to see it? I'm ready to see it. First, a manual. Are we not men? Of course we're men. Goodbye, manual. And some packing foam. Goodbye, packing foam. Little bag with stuff. We'll hold on to that. Probably necessary. Big a bag with portable bandsaw. Holy crap. This thing's heavy. Included blade is for cutting wood and other soft materials. Not included. Well, I guess I'm going to have to get me a different blade because this one's not made for cutting metal. We're going to try it anyway, of course. I mean, what the hell? Who would use this to cut wood? Really? Not me. Now I'm going to do a shout out to both Jody Collier, Lance Edwards, Chucky 2009. Seeing those guys with their portable bandsaws is what made me want to get one of these. So. Portable variable speed bandsaw. Warning, to prevent serious injury, tighten blade before use. Alright. This little lever here, that's loose blade, that's tighten blade. When storing for long periods, loosen blade. Got it. Let's see what's in the little goodie bag. A clear triangle of plastic. Interesting. We'll see if we can figure out what that's for, so we don't have to, you know, go to the manual. Right? Extra brushes. Right in the toolbox with them bad boys. And this is our fence. It's not a fence. It's a the bottom plate. Now they give me a lovely Allen head here, but as far as I can tell, the fence mounts on here with Phillips head screws. Alright, Harbor Freight, why? Why would you give me an Allen screw or an Allen key, which I can see is useful for moving this handle, but everything else on here is Phillips. No big deal. Yes, muy Phillips screwdrivers. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it when they're tightened by the Hulk. I find in cases like this, a nice sharp wrist snap from a flathead screwdriver that fits in there beats the hell out of stripping everything out. Anybody figure out the triangle of plastic yet? Raise your hands if you figured it out. I haven't got it yet either. Now I am looking at the junction where the blade is welded, and I'll show you this in a minute. There appears to be a crack. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I spend my hard-earned American dollars on fine quality Chinese products, I expect them to work, right? Not with chips in the blade because somebody was welding bandsaw blades after working 89 straight hours and not even getting to go to the head. No. This is China we're talking about. You work till the job's done. Still trying to figure out that triangular piece of plastic though. It's got me confused. Now, let me show you the crack in the blade. Come with me, my peoples, to a magic land called 3 feet from where you were. Get you a better look here. Have the glory that is the portable bandsaw. Can you see that right there? Right? I'm going to point this mystery plastic. Right there is a crack in the weld. But why? Why is there a crack in the weld? Have you guys figured it out? What about the plastic? Me either. We have to go to the manual. Alright, we'll go to the manual. Let's put you back over on your spot. Okay. We really didn't need this because there is not a single word about the mystery class. 3, 2, 1. So what do we do with it? That's what we do with it. Now, let me move some of my more delicate items out of the way. Including Hazel. This is Hazel, by the way. You guys named the TIG torches, right? Let's try some cutting. A little piece of angle here. And they're good and tight. That was the blade on its highest speed. I think. That's it on its lowest. So, let's see if we can actually cut through this, huh? Cut, and I just need to clamp it better. Well, folks, with that 24, or whatever that blade is on there, looks like we're not getting much love out of it. But I'll try it one more time. Pardon the noise. Actually, that cut right through it. I just have to move it out some because I was running out of room. Again, this is on its slowest speed. Well, heck yeah. Yeah, hook you here. That's a nice straight cut. Let's make sure it's a square cut. Not quite. Yeah. But all in all, not bad. I'm going to get the proper blade for it, and we'll go from there. Okay? Alright, see you guys next time.